Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the controls so you can act immediately. Use the physical volume keys or press FN plus the labeled F key. This sends a hardware signal to change output level. Once done, open the system sound panel from the speaker icon to confirm the change registered and to select the correct output device. Make sure your external headphones or Bluetooth are connected first. Otherwise, adjustments will affect the wrong device and you won't hear anything. You now refine the audio by adjusting system and app-specific levels so sound is balanced and clear. Drag the master volume slider for broad changes, then open the app mixer to raise or lower individual programs. This prevents one app from drowning others. Once done, check enhancements such as the equalizer or spatial sound. Turning them off can reduce distortion or latency, while enabling them can improve clarity depending on speakers. Make sure drivers are up to date to avoid inconsistent behavior. You finish by testing and locking in settings so the change persists across sessions. Play a short, familiar audio file and verify output device and volume level. Adjust if needed. If you hear nothing, check for a physical mute switch or the on-screen mute icon. Sometimes both must be unmuted. As a final troubleshooting tip, restart the audio service or toggle the device connection. This often restores control when keys or sliders stop responding because the driver or service hung.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.